Hola, hola, beautiful team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a checkbox in a very fast way using Microsoft Excel. So this is it. You have your table here. So I want to add checkbox. So in order to add checkbox, you make sure you have a developer tab. So this is the developer tab. Clicking here. So if you don't know how to do it, there is a video I'll put on the description, the link which I did previously. So, but in a simple way, you just have to go to customize ribbon. This is where you can add the developer tab. So straight to our checkbox. After clicking the developer tab, need to go to the insert, then form controls, active X controls. That means I'll click this checkbox form control. So upon clicking, there is a crosshair which will appear on my screen. Then that means you can control it by making that way. So you can just push it there, then enter here, or you can just right click, edit text here. Then I'll just by clicking here, then I delete the text which is inside here. So by clicking here, that means I have already. So I can just click Control C, or copy, then paste all over. So that means the checkbox is already being kept in my column. So it will be easier for my case. I just click here as a checkbox. This is done. Rock excavation. This is done. Maybe for instance, remove of trees. This is done, and clearing ground. This is done. So that's it. That's the way of inserting your checkbox using Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching.